Hello guys, now in the previous video we learned how to do math in Python, but it has a problem is that you have to enter the values in the code, but we can fix it with the user input command. So user input 1, as you can see VS Code is giving suggestions like the stat to accept equals input, enter the first number. As you can see it's giving me another suggestion. So user input equal 2 equals input, enter the second number. Then user input 3, and as you can see it's giving me suggestion. It might not always be the correct suggestion, so you have to manually adjust it. So and then user input 3, enter the symbol. Now after that we print it. So print, then two parentheses, and now inside them we write eval. Now we have to write eval because otherwise they'll just print all of these values together and it won't actually add them. Then after that, we put the code itself. So first print user input 1, then user input 3 and user input 2. So our first, second, and then the symbol in between. Now behind it, we add f, which will tell Python that some of these are variables and not text. So let's test it. As you can see, enter the first number, so 5. Enter the second number, so let's just do 5 again. Enter the symbol, so we want to add them. And it prints 10. So anything like 8, then plus 3, or maybe this time divide. And as you can see, it's 2 point. Oh no.